I want to again review the laws of indices that we read in previous classes. So this is the importance of these laws that student should understand clearly. Okay. Law of multiplying indices. Then power is added like this. And for the law of dividing indices, that power can be subtracted one to another's, and law of raising a power to a power. Okay, if there is another power to another power, then that power are multiplied like this, and a to the power 0 is 1, and negative indices that can be positive by dropping down to the denominators, and fractional indices, that is denominator gives the nth root of the remaining term. So these rules are very important. I request you to understand clearly by looking the previous video. Then that problems in the exercise can be solved easily. Now look at here. Here we have one questions. Okay, and so in second step what is done? We know 2 to the power 4 is 16. Yes, look at here. 16 is 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, and 2 2 ja. So 2 times that 2 is multiplied 4 times, then 16 is obtained. So in place of 16 we can write here 2 to the power 4, and 1 is expressed as the cube because 1 cube is also 1, and again 8 is here 2 to the power cube. After that, so here this power is raised to this power. So according to the law of that raising a power to a raising, then that power are multiplied. Okay, so this is the rule here applied here. So here this power and this power is multiplied, and same thing is done here. Here this power 4 by 3 belongs to this base also, this base also. That means numerator also, denominator also, because this is 4 by 3 is whole power of this both fraction. Okay, so after that 4 will be cancelled, so 1 1 ja, 1 left here, and 3 will be cancelled, then 4 left here. So in denominator also 3 cancels to 4. Okay, and 1 to the power 4 is 1 because 1 is multiplied 4 times, then 1 is obtained. After that this numerator we multiply and keep them in a one fractions. Now look at here. This is the case of dividing case. Yes, something by something is, this is the case of division. So in this case of divisions, that power can be subtracted from one to another. Okay, so here from 4 this power is subtracted. So what is done here? If we have this one, okay, in this case m minus n also we can do another's 1 by e to the power n minus m also we can do. So this is the law of dividing indices which is applied here. So after this 1 and 2 to the power 3, that is 1 by 8. Okay, so that laws which are to be applied should be clearly understood by the students. Okay, we can be more clear by these questions. 1 by 128 to the power 1 by 7 and 1 by 64 to the power 1 by 6 and 128 by the prime factorizations. We came to know here, if 2 is multiplied 7 times, then 120 is obtained. Okay, from similarly 64 is what? If 2 is multiplied 6 times, then 64 is obtained. So that's why. And look at here, why we have used here 1 to the power 7, because this 7 and this 1 by 7, this numerator, this denominator, after applying the law of that power, raising a power to a power, it is multiplied and that will be cancelled. So 1 7 is done, and this way. Okay, so this 1 by 7 is power of this whole bracket, so this belongs to numerator also, this denominator also. Okay, so it is applied like this here. After that, 1 to the power 7 7 cancels, 1 left, and here 7 7 cancels, 2 to the power 1 left, and same is here. Okay, then 1 to the power 1 means 1, 2 to the power 1 means 2, so here also same. And by taking LCMs, 2 2 2, then 1 plus 1, 2 by, that is 2 by 2, that is 1. Okay, this way we can do. For this you must know that laws of indices, there are 6 laws you must know, then you can do easily. So here is one more questions. Before we start it, let's understand this concept. Square root of 4 is 2. We everyone know, we all know square root of 4 is 2. Okay, but the order of this radical sign is 2. Okay, this sort is 2. So in another way, this root 4 also can be expressed in another way. Okay, that is 4 1 to the power 2, and it is 4 means 2 square, and we have a 1 by 2, and using the law of power raising to power, it is multiplied and 2 will be cancelled and 2 left here. Okay, this way also we can do. Similarly, this sort has order 3, so this is cube root. Okay, so this can be expressed in 1 by 3. So this order of the sort can be expressed by its reciprocal in this case. So here also 243 divided by 1024, can be expressed 1 by 5. Okay, now after this 243, you see here, this is the product of 1 2 3 4 5, 3 times, so 5 times multiplications of 3, that is 5. So this can be done 3 to the power 5. Similarly, 1024 is, look at here, you have to make group 1 2 3 4 5. So we can say this is the 4. If 4 is multiplied 5 times, then 1024 is obtained. So we can say this to the power 1. For this you have to do prime factorizations. And here now we can do this 1 by 5 is power of this whole terms. So 1 by 4 belongs to this also, and 4 by 5 this belongs to deno also. In numerator it cancels, deno is cancelled, so we have here 3 by 4 is the answers.